Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Indeed account for employers. If you'd like to follow along in Malayalam, turn on auto-generated captions for a translated experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Indeed.com. On the homepage, click on the For Employers button in the top right corner. Next, you'll see the registration page. Enter your company name, your email address, and create a strong password. Make sure to use an active email address as you'll need it to verify your account later. Once you've filled in the details, click Create Account. Now, Indeed will guide you to set up your profile. Start by entering your company's basic information including your location, industry, and the size of your team. This helps job seekers learn more about your organization. After that, you may choose to continue making a job posting if that's your goal, or you can simply click on this Indeed icon right here and you'll see that your account as an employer is done. You may be asked to verify your account, but most likely, if your job seeker account has already been verified, you won't have to. Once verified, you're all set. You can now post jobs, review applications, and manage candidates, all from your Indeed employer dashboard. And that's it! Your employer account is ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.